Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix gray button in Safari. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. So, if you have a gray clear button in Safari, that means that unfortunately you can't clear your search history, for example, in Safari. And that can cause some difficulties. Now I'm going to show you how you can fix the gray clear button. So, to do this, go to your phone settings. Then go to Screen Time, and then scroll down a little bit, and you'll need to go to this option here. Next, you'll need to choose Content Restriction. And this is where you'll find the Web Content section. Now, if you have a check mark next to the second or third item, you'll need to move it to the first one. And that will give you permission and access to clear this in Safari. And now after you do that, you can go to Safari app and the clear button will no longer be grayed out. You will be able to do what you need to do. Friends, I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.